Hello you guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to show you how I make my warm, cozy matcha latte. I especially like this drink in the fall and winter. While I do that, I'm going to be constructing a tea/coffee station. I see a lot of these videos on YouTube and I enjoy them. I am also going to do a voiceover telling you about all the health benefits of drinking matcha tea. So let's get started. But first, here's my t-shirt of the day. It's this nice skull with some ravens flying out of it. Nice color, autumnal color. My pants, it was like a cinnamon color. I did my nails the other day, and they still look pretty cute. Right, so let's go to the kitchen. If you ask me, and well, let's be honest, you didn't, why I started to drink matcha, I would tell you that I wanted to do good things for my body because I was going into menopause. But mostly I started drinking it after witnessing the age-related health issues of mine and my husband's parents. I started to research ways to increase not only longevity, but also to make sure that this longevity is healthier, stronger, and happier. I really encourage everyone to do their own research because it is fascinating. Here I'm putting in an almond creamer and soy milk. Soy milk, about 6 ounces, almost 2 ounces of the almond sweetener. And it's going to be 2 ounces of water. And then I'm going to microwave all of this. So let me set the stage. Matcha is the whole leaf of green tea ground to a fine powder. It has been found by researchers to be an anti-inflammatory. It increases metabolism, aids in fat burning. It feeds your gut microbiome, which is the healthy gut bacteria that communicates with your immune system. Here I am heating up my kettle because I'm going to put warm water into the 2 scoops of matcha. But most importantly, researchers have found out that this form of powdered tea can interrupt the metabolic pathway of cancer cells, depriving them of energy and causing them to die. I mean, think about that. That is huge So basically, it has cancer-starving effect by cutting off the blood supply to certain cancers, especially breast and colon cancer, which are two of the most common cancers. Here I am going to sift the already fine powder. Other research I've done on telomeres, the length of telomeres is a biomarker of aging. The shorter they are, it increases the rate of age-related chronic diseases. You shorten these telomeres with oxidative stress and inflammation. Remember in the beginning I told you that matcha reduces inflammation, and studies have shown that matcha significantly increases the length of telomeres. Let's just take a moment to appreciate this beautiful green powder. I'm about to whisk it into a froth. You might be asking, what is a telomere? Well, it's the end cap. From what I understand, it's the end cap of a chromosome inside of the nucleus, inside of your cells. Yes, there will be a pop quiz. I'm just kidding. Why do I drink plant-based milk with my matcha tea? Well, green tea has a natural polyphenol called catechins, and when you drink the tea, all of these catechins are easily absorbed by our bodies. These catechins, which promote all of the benefits that I mentioned earlier, like anti-inflammatory properties, and catechins are a relaxant. Look at that beautiful green froth. Excellent. If you drink cow dairy milk or creamer with the green tea, what happens is that the milk fat molecules creates a microscopic bubble, like a soap bubble. This bubble traps the catechins, and then they can't be absorbed into your stomach, and then you miss out on all the polyphenol benefits. So you can drink almond milk, cashew milk. I personally drink the soy milk because it has an estrogen-like compound in it that helps with menopausal low estrogen. So the soy milk is like 2 bangs for your buck. This is some cinnamon, which is also an anti-inflammatory, and then I'm going to put ginger in it. Same thing. Enough of the science. I am about to have this delicious matcha tea latte. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have a little surprise at the end of the video about what I am going to be doing next. Stay tuned.